on the last one.
So you're actually meant to take your pants off first and then hop on, brother.
Your waist here, chest there, elbows. Okay. Now it's completely locked. You cannot move at all. I will release now, and you will go front and back. You're going all the way. So try to activate your core to come up.
Come up.
Use your hamstrings. Push.
Just have to push. Oh,
Yeah. You can raise a little bit your waist from there. It will be a little bit easier.
So I push my.
Exactly. And try to keep a plan.
Some say he has a very feminine core.
Good.
I get it.
Now it's locked.